Your bank account shouldn't have to suffer just because you want to feel a little less bloated or heavy in your own skin. We see these flashy ads everywhere lately promising a total body detox with just a few magic drops under the tongue. It sounds so easy. You just click a link, wait for a tiny bottle to arrive, and suddenly all your wellness problems are supposed to vanish. But something feels off about these new lymphatic drainage wellness drops popping up on every single social media feed. I started looking into a brand called Lyphoria, and what I found should make anyone pause and think twice before hitting that buy button. This is a brand new player in the wellness game. There is almost zero history here to back up their bold claims. When a company appears out of thin air with a miracle cure, you have to look for the receipts. In the world of health supplements, receipts mean clinical trials. We are talking about real science, documented results, and peer-reviewed data. This brand has absolutely none of that. You are essentially paying to be a human test subject for a mystery liquid that hasn't been vetted by anyone outside their own marketing department. That is a massive red flag that you simply cannot ignore. Beyond the lack of science, there is a much bigger trap waiting for you right at the checkout screen. It is that sneaky little box labeled subscribe and save. Most of us see that and think it is just a nice little discount for being a loyal customer. In reality, it is a recurring fee machine that is incredibly hard to stop once it gets moving. If you forget to uncheck that box during your checkout, you are suddenly locked into a cycle of monthly payments. These shipments might keep coming even if the product does nothing for you. People are heading over to major review sites like Trustpilot to share their absolute horror stories. The feedback there is brutal. They talk about unauthorized charges and customer service departments that are basically ghosts when you need them most. This is not how a legitimate health company operates. It feels more like a smash and grab operation designed to catch people who are just looking for a quick fix to their health concerns. Your hard-earned money is way too valuable to throw away on a mystery product with no proven track record. If your gut is telling you that a deal seems too good to be true, you should probably listen to that voice in your head. If you absolutely feel the need to try a product like this, please do not buy it directly from a random website you just found on a side banner or a pop-up ad. Look for an official page on a major retailer site instead. At least on a platform with consumer protections, you have a much easier path to getting your money back if things go south or the product never arrives. But honestly, why risk it at all? A healthy lymphatic system comes from movement, staying hydrated, and eating real food. It doesn't come from a suspicious bottle of drops from a company that didn't even exist a few months ago. Be incredibly careful where you put your trust and your credit card information. There are so many better ways to invest in your health without getting caught in a subscription nightmare or wasting cash on unverified claims. Keep your eyes open and stay skeptical of these sudden wellness miracles that promise the world for 20 bucks. You deserve products that actually work and companies that respect your wallet. If you have been seeing these ads, take a breath and do your homework before you give them a single cent of your money. It is always better to be safe and informed than to be a victim of another wellness trend that offers nothing but empty promises and drained bank accounts.